It's 7:30 a.m. I have less than 4 hours to go pick up Jerry and Chad, go to Brooklyn, find the U-Haul, drive it to my Brooklyn property, pack up a bunch of trash, load the trash into the back of the van, find the dump, drop off all the trash at the dump, go back to the Brooklyn property, drop off the van, pick up my car, drop off the U-Haul, drop off Jerry and Chad. And I need to do this all before 11:30 a.m. And the thing is, all of this has to get done today because the dump isn't open tomorrow and today they close at 1. So today's the only day for it to get done. Gotta go to U-Haul, rent a U-Haul, pack up the garbage in the back and drop it to the dump. Yeah. I'd say the only responsible thing I did was rent the U-Haul. And do you guys wait till the last minute to do everything else? I know I'm not the only one. Don't judge. This is a trap, bro. That little alleyway right there. A lot goes down in the alleyway. It's weird too because it's like it's not even an official U-Haul place. It's a gas station. I don't even know how I'm supposed to get the vehicle. Like, do I just go to the clerk and check in like I'm getting gas?
Yeah. Yeah, let me get a 20 on this U-Haul. Take it easy, baby. Thanks, man.
This is the front.
Guys, are you recording? You can record inside the store.
Can you record store?
Yes, sir.
Why not? Okay. I didn't get a text yet.
Number 12. Give me $2. Man, that's just $20? What the fuck, man? Give me $2, man. Give me $2. Yeah, on 12. Give me $12. Inflation, brother.
I didn't get a text.
Rip off, man. You get $20 on number 5. $20 on number 5.
I didn't get any text.
Why not make me pay? One straight, one back.
12. Right here.
You said 7, right? You said 7?
Oh, you moving around without your other leg. Don't do that. Keep that leg with you.
And drop off time plate for the same level again.
If I finish this, boy, y'all wouldn't have got no hot dogs.
I'm gonna give you my key. You drive my car here because I don't want to leave my car here. It's kind of sucks here. That took way longer than I expected. So apparently, all right, like I mentioned before, it's not even a actual U-Haul place. It's at a gas station and the pumps aren't working. They don't accept credit cards. So everyone's inside trying to pay for the gas. So there's 5 people in front of me trying to pay for gas. And there's about 3 people in front of me trying to get their U-Hauls as well because they have a lot of U-Hauls here. Chad's gonna drive my car back to the place because I don't leave my car here because this neighborhood is a little sus. So while I go get the van, make sure Chad doesn't crash my car at the same time. All right, off-roading. Come on. Wait, hold on, watch that tire. Wait, hold on. Ooh, look at the distance. Woo! Talk about some driving right there. All right, come on. All right, I love it. Now that's how you whip a Wrangler.
Rubicon gang.
All right, I'll see you at the crib.
Send me the address.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the keys. Now I'm pretty short on time because after 9 a.m., which means I only have an hour to pack up the stuff and get the stuff to the dump before they close and get back to do what I do because I have one more showing at 11 a.m. I hope that made sense. I'm just a little bit flustered right now because, all right, let's take a second. So because it took so long, I actually only have an hour to do what I need to do, which is pack up the stuff and load it into the back of the U-Haul to drop it off at the dump, then come back and drop off the U-Haul, get my car, then drop off Chad, and then get to my showing on time. Let's go. So now I have to find my van amongst all these vans here. Apparently we're looking for BE 1861. Let's see. That's not it. BE, nope, that's not it. I feel like this is an Easter egg hunt. Nope, that's not it. Ah, there we go. 1861. This is us. Yo, you fell asleep?
Yeah, man, I overslept. Yeah, no, yeah, they ready? I'll just meet you at the spot then.
All right, let's see the damage in the back. Here's all the garbage. Now, it's probably like, I don't know, 15, 20 bags. Kitchen sink over there, and there's still a garbage in the front. The problem is they're not that light, kind of heavy. Is that a mango? So what time is it now? I don't know. 9:37. Merry Christmas. Wait. All right, we hit a bit of a roadblock. Now let me show you the problem. Huh? All right, so Chad just broke. Thanks, Chad.
Well, at least you know this lock is no good.
So the plan was to open this gate and go through the side. But now,
The plan was never that. I suggested this plan. He that had the key, unresponsible landlord.
wait, actually, if I didn't have the key, what is that stuck in there right now?
He doesn't get a service. Unresponsible landlord. Come on.
So Chad just broke.
Is you a slumlord?
Chad just broke the key inside the lock.
Is you a slumlord?
Now we can't get out through this gate, which means we have to take all the trash and go through the basement, through the front door, because we can't go through the side.
It's okay, we've been in the gym lately, so we could do it.
And we run out of time, so I guess we'll get started.
So the side, so shit not working?
Nah, we have to go through the basement.
Hold the shit. Let me go park up real quick.
We got some reinforcements. So, and not much time.
How far is that far?
I think the dump is maybe like 5 minutes away.
The showing? Oh, so you guys
Oh no, the dump. The showing is probably 10 minutes away. The U-Haul is full, but we still have all these heavy bags remaining, and I have an appointment. Oh, and we have these bags remaining. So I have an appointment, so I'm not gonna be able to load these up and make it to my appointment at the same time. So it is what it is. We gotta keep it moving. Time to go to the dump. They're too heavy.
You gotta catch the garbage man and pay them.
It's a lot of garbage. You good, bro?
Yeah. You got gravity even now.
Just jumped in the f***ing event here. Alright, so
we have to the dump?
yeah, cause I'm sure we gotta offload this shit.
Yeah.
What they said about like
returning it clean.
We got one big happy family, guys. The gang's all here.
Now I feel like you're back in the country.
What country?
Jamaica.
You don't know nothing about Jamaica, bro.
We born in the yard. Born in the yard, my youth.
Oh, keys in my jacket. My jacket downstairs. Oh shit. Alright. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going?
Bro, that's a journey right now. That's a journey.
I'm sweating, and I got a showing.
Oh, you doing double work today?
Alright, it says 8 minutes away.
I ain't going front though.
God, you should hire 2 guys, at least to lift it out for you.
The scale, this gotta be the scale.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. What do you got? Garbage?
Yeah, demo.
150.
How much does it weigh? I'm curious.
6,800 pounds. And empty, it's 5,300. So you have 1,500 pounds in there. It's $150 per ton. You have less than a ton, so it's the minimum dump of 150.
Got it. All right, cool.
Cash your credit card.
Bro, this is a whole operation.
Yeah.
It's a whole business.
Yeah, nigga, there's a bag out here just for jumbo.
I don't get it.
So 150 per ton.
This is not even a ton this time.
No, we still have extra in there.
Go around the back.
Big business.
You just dump it anywhere.
You gotta be skillful
You gotta be skillful for what?
today. Don't go over there. Try to get to the side of it. Watch your, hold on. Watch that side.
Where's the backup camera? I'm spoiled.
You got space?
Watch out, watch out. Cut back in.
Yeah, we good.
See.
How you doing, guys?
Good, how you doing?
Good, how's everything? What I do with that receipt?
Oh, wait. In the front.
Oh. This is wild, bro.
Don't take it back anyway. You can't charge the extra for having to clean the car.
Now we know the hardest part is to load up.
What? Let's go. So it's 11:09. We are officially done with 21 minutes to spare before my next appointment to go show a house. We did it. And it cost $150, $156 with tax. So it was a good day. We've officially completed the mission. We've done everything we said we was gonna do, and we're now returning the U-Haul, and I call that a job well done. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming along. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.